This is Advanced Algebra 6.1. We're going to look at example 1. And this is going to be using our 6 trig functions. So we have a triangle here. Now also granted, with a problem like this, you could just get this one line right here. Okay, the picture of the triangle there and all the sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, cotangent below is just an aid to help you out. So keep that in mind in the future. So on my triangle, I'm going to label side A with 4 and side C with 7. And I need to find out what side B is to find everything in here. There's some trig ratios I can already find with 4 and 7, but I'm going to need all of them. So I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem to do that. So my a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So I have 4 squared plus b squared equals 7 squared. Make sure that hypotenuse is in that C position. So 16 plus b squared equals 49. I'll subtract 16 from both sides. So b squared equals 33. When I take the square root, 33, we can't take the square root of it evenly. So we're going to leave this as an exact answer. So I'm going to leave it as a square root of 33. Now I'll be able to fill out all 6 of my trig ratios. So I'm going to start off with sine. So sine is my opposite over hypotenuse. So maybe I should look at this too with my angle being down here for theta. Across from it, this is my opposite side. Next to it over here on the bottom is my adjacent side. And then my hypotenuse is always across from the 90-degree angle. So since I'm always using that angle, those will not change at all for this problem. So my sine is going to be my opposite of 4 over my hypotenuse of 7. Okay, that doesn't simplify. If I go down to my cosecant, that's going to be the easiest one because I'm just going to do the reciprocal of that. So 7 over 4. Cosine is going to be my adjacent over hypotenuse. So square root of 33 over 7. Secant's the reciprocal, so 7 over square root of 33. Now if I want these to be simplified, I don't want to have a radical in the denominator. So I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by the square root of 33. So doing the top and bottom doesn't change the value, just like multiplying by 1. On the bottom, I get just 33. On the top, I have the 7 square root of 33. Sometimes the numbers out in front like that, 7 and 33, sometimes they'll have something in common that you can simplify more. But otherwise, this is where I'm going to leave that answer at. And then tangent is going to be your opposite over adjacent. So 4 over the square root of 33, which that one too can simplify. So if I multiply the top and bottom by square root of 33, on the top I get 4 square root of 33, and the bottom just 33. Again, 4 and 33 don't simplify in this case, so nothing more to do with that one. And then for cotangent, the square root of 33 over 4. So there's several different versions of this that look really similar, but the key is to have a triangle, label all the sides. Know what angle you're referencing to, because that was even labeled in here. That's what we would be using as our angle of reference.